History. Chapter 3, The American Civil War. Part 4, Significance and Legacy of the Civil War. Welcome to the final part, students. We've explored the causes, events, and results of the American Civil War. Now let's examine why this war matters not just for American history but for world history. We'll look at the war's lasting significance, Abraham Lincoln's extraordinary legacy, and the lessons this conflict teaches us even today. Why the Civil War matters. The American Civil War was one of the most significant events in world history for several important reasons. First, it was the first modern war. The Civil War introduced new military technologies that changed warfare forever. Railroads moved troops quickly. Telegraph enabled instant communication. Ironclad warships replaced wooden ships. Rifled muskets were far more accurate. Trenches and fortifications foreshadowed World War I. The Civil War showed what industrial-age warfare would look like. Second, the war was fundamentally about human rights and equality. At its core, the war asked, can people be owned as property? Does one group have the right to enslave another? Are all humans truly created equal? The Union victory answered these questions with a resounding yes to equality and human dignity. This made the Civil War relevant far beyond America's borders. Third, the war settled whether democratic government could survive internal division. Many 19th century people believed democracy was weak and would collapse under stress. European monarchs watched, expecting democracy to fail. When the Union won and democracy survived, it proved that government of the people, by the people, for the people could endure. This encouraged democratic movements worldwide. Fourth, the war demonstrated that nations could abolish slavery and fundamentally transform their societies. Other countries with slavery watched carefully. The American example influenced global movements to end slavery and forced labor. Abraham Lincoln, the great emancipator. Abraham Lincoln emerged as one of history's greatest leaders. He's remembered as the great emancipator who freed the slaves and the president who saved the Union. Lincoln's greatness lay not in military genius or inherited privilege, he had neither. His greatness came from his moral clarity, political wisdom, eloquent expression of democratic principles, and ability to grow and change. When war began, Lincoln's primary goal was preserving the Union. But as war progressed, Lincoln came to see that slavery's destruction was necessary both morally and practically. He grew from a politician who would tolerate slavery to a leader who insisted on its complete abolition. Lincoln's speeches expressed democratic ideals with unmatched eloquence. His Gettysburg Address defined democracy in 272 words that inspire people worldwide. His statement that democracy is government of the people, by the people, for the people became the standard definition used everywhere. Lincoln's second inaugural address showed his wisdom and compassion. With victory near, he urged reconciliation rather than revenge. With malice toward none, with charity for all, let us bind up the nation's wounds. He wanted to heal, not punish. Lincoln's assassination made him a martyr for freedom and unity. His death on Good Friday, 1865, just days after the war's end, seemed almost Christ-like. He became a symbol of sacrifice for noble principles. Today, Lincoln is consistently ranked as America's greatest president. His legacy inspires leaders worldwide who face seemingly impossible challenges. Lessons and lasting impact. The American Civil War teaches us several important lessons. First, slavery and racism are moral evils that corrupt societies and create conflicts requiring great struggle to resolve. The war showed that compromising with fundamental moral wrongs doesn't work. Eventually, right and wrong must be confronted directly. Second, democratic principles are worth fighting for. Union soldiers who gave their lives believed they were preserving government by the people. Their sacrifice ensured democracy survived and flourished. Third, national unity is precious and fragile. It took 4 years of terrible war to restore American unity. This taught Americans and the world that preserving national unity requires constant effort, compromise on secondary issues, and firm commitment to shared fundamental principles. Fourth, legal equality doesn't automatically create social and economic equality. Though slaves were freed and given citizenship, they faced another century of discrimination. This shows that achieving true justice requires ongoing effort, not just one-time legal changes. Fifth, leadership matters enormously during crisis. Lincoln's character, wisdom, and eloquence were crucial to Union victory. He showed that great leaders don't just react to events but shape them through vision and moral clarity. Impact on India and other nations. The Civil War's impact extended far beyond America. For India, the war offered several lessons. First, it showed that oppressive systems contradicted human dignity and equality. Indian freedom fighters drew inspiration from America's commitment to equality. Second, the war demonstrated the importance of unity. Just as American states had to stay united, Indian freedom fighters knew diverse groups must unite to win independence. Third, Lincoln's leadership inspired Indian leaders. Mahatma Gandhi admired Lincoln's commitment to justice. Finally, the American federal system influenced India's constitution. Other nations also learned from the Civil War. Brazil abolished slavery in 1888, influenced partly by the American example. European countries saw that democracy could survive severe tests. Colonized peoples worldwide gained hope that oppression could be overcome. Unfinished business. While the Civil War abolished slavery, it didn't achieve full racial equality. That struggle continued for another century. The civil rights movement of the 1950s and 60s, led by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and others, finished work begun by Lincoln. King invoked Lincoln's legacy. His famous "I Have a Dream" speech was delivered at the Lincoln Memorial in 1963. Today, The struggle for racial justice continues. The Civil War ended slavery but didn't end racism. Americans continue working to create the equal, just society Lincoln envisioned. Conclusion. The American Civil War was a defining moment in human history. It abolished slavery, preserved the Union, and proved democracy could survive. Lincoln emerged as one of history's greatest leaders. The war's legacy reminds us that freedom and equality are worth fighting for, that national unity is precious, that leadership matters, and that achieving justice requires constant effort. Lincoln's words at Gettysburg remain relevant. We must ensure that government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. Thank you for learning about this crucial period in history.